Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, we are making this beautiful pork trotters. Stay tuned. Let's get started, guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now firstly, you want to go ahead and season your pork trotters with some salt and black pepper, generously so, and then in my big pot I'm gonna fry them on both sides just until golden brown. Once they have browned on both sides like this, gorgeous, remove them from the pot and place them aside. Just make sure that they're covered and still warm. In the same pot, you're gonna go ahead and add your mixed bell peppers and some onion. You want to saute that until the bottom of the pot is deglazed and those pork trotter bits are not sticking at the bottom of the pot anymore. Now you want to go ahead and add your crushed garlic and ginger. I added about 2 heaped spoons of that, and you're going to continue sauteing that for another 30 seconds just until you can perceive the smell of the ginger and garlic. And then I'm gonna proceed adding my tomato sauce. You can substitute this for tomato paste. I did not have tomato paste, so I used tomato sauce instead. Now do note that when you use tomato sauce, it's gonna give you a little bit of the sweetness from the tomato sauce, so just keep that in mind. And then I'm gonna proceed to adding my chicken stock. I added 2 chicken stocks, the vegetable ones. You can use any other chicken stock that you like. I'm gonna add my rosemary and my thyme, and then I'm gonna place my pork trotters back into the pot, submerge that into that beautiful tomato base, and you're gonna let that simmer for a minute or 2, and we're gonna proceed with building our beautiful flavors. Now you're gonna go ahead and add your soy sauce. I did want to use Worcestershire sauce, but I did not have any. Instead I had soy sauce, so that is what I used. You can use soy sauce, you can use oyster sauce, you can use Worcestershire sauce, just the dark sauce, just and then this is not absolutely necessary, but it's optional. I had some of this sticky sauce left over and I just thought, let me just get rid of it. Just mind you that the tomato sauce and this sauce have a little bit of sweetness, so you really don't have to add it, but if you want to, it tastes amazing anyway, but it's not necessary. I had it in my fridge and I wanted to get rid of it. You're gonna go ahead and add about a teaspoon of your curry powder, not a lot. And then I'm gonna also proceed with adding my Portuguese Steak Spice. Guys, I love the spice. about a tablespoon of that. You don't need a lot because a lot of the flavors that we've put in there have salt. The spice also has salt, so about a tablespoon will go a long way. Now you want to mix those flavors together, honey. They look so beautiful. For a little bit of heat, I'm gonna add some crushed chili. You can add fresh chili if you really want that heat. That is absolutely up to you. It's going to give us a beautiful kick. And then to finish everything off, I'm gonna add some hot water. Please don't add cold water, so that once you add that water, all the temperature is just aligning, and it doesn't take long to come up back to temperature. So you use hot water just to cover the pork trotters. Also, according to you, if you want a lot of sauce, add more water. If you want a little bit less of sauce and a little bit stickier, add a little bit less of water. But you're gonna cook this and simmer it on medium low heat for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Now once it starts simmering like this, you can go ahead and put on your lid and reduce your stove. My stove was on a 5, and then I reduced it to a 4 to simmer everything down for 1 hour and 45 minutes. If you want it tender, if you want it falling off the bone, you can go ahead as far as 2 hours. Now you want to go ahead and check your water level every 30 minutes, not frequently, so that you want the steam to be trapped in there and cook everything beautifully. So make sure that you check at least every 30 to 45 minutes. Now I'm gonna finish it off with some fresh chopped parsley. As you can see, everything is beautiful, guys. You don't need to thicken the sauce. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's ready to indulge. That's it for now, guys. I hope you tried the recipe. Please like and comment down below. Show me some love and I'll show you back some love as always. Please share with your friends and your family, and I will see you on the next one.